Happy Saturday, October 11th. I have just showered. Well, I showered about a half an hour ago. And I did just put the pie together. And it is in the oven baking. So that should be ready in another hour, an hour and a half, something like that. So yeah, so yesterday I posted about the dead mouse in the yard. Ian and I were sitting watching a movie last night, and we noticed like 3-4 crows landing in the on the fence. And that's odd because we don't get crows in the backyard. But I had put peanuts out for the chipmunks and the squirrel. Didn't really put it over the squirrel, but he comes anyway. And the blue jays. So they were flying around, the crows were flying around. Then all of a sudden, it swooped down, landed on the ground, and took off with that dead mouse. So I am hoping that there was no poison in that mouse because, unfortunately. But anyway, so this morning when I came downstairs and opened the blinds, it was dark, but once the sun came up, there were the crows, and they were down there picking up the peanuts, and it took them about maybe half an hour, and they had cleared the table off of the peanuts. And now there is absolutely no indication that there were any crows around at all. And I did the table. And there's our table for tomorrow's meal. I'm happy with it. It'll be a nice little dinner for both of us. Got my roses. Got some dahlias from the garden. It's amazing. They're still blooming away. And my little candles I bought. So yeah, that's good. So that's good. Yeah. What's I going to say? I had something else that I was going to say. I remember. So around 3:30 this morning, we heard boop boop, boop boop, boop boop. And if anybody knows what boop boop means, yep, you are correct. Smoke alarm was going off. So we came down, well, we tried to figure out, because we've got like, I don't know, like 10 smoke alarms in this place. Anyway, we came downstairs and we found it. It was in the stairs hallway. And for some reason, all of the smoke alarms are hooked up to the electric. So we disengaged it. Or Ian came down and took it out of the ceiling and whatever. And he turned it off. So now we have to go and find a new smoke alarm. Not today. But anyway, so by the time that all got fixed up and whatever, it was after 4 by the time we settled back. And then I think Ian crashed really hard, got into a really deep sleep, and he started snoring. So I couldn't get back to sleep. So I did actually, I shouldn't say that. I did fall asleep for probably about an hour. So so it was around 5 o'clock that I woke up with his sweet snores beside me, and I couldn't get back to sleep. So I've been awake since 5, and I have been up since about 10 to 6. So I think there may be a wee nap this afternoon in my future. Not just a lay down, but an actual nap. Anyway, so, the dreaded A word. Yes, that's going to be me for right now, for this morning. I'm hoping to get a few things done this afternoon. I didn't get around to washing floors. Not sure I'm going to get around to doing that today. We'll see. Anyway, oh my gosh, stop it. I'm going to say goodbye, and maybe I'll see you this afternoon. Bye. It's Global Bird Day. So if you want to check out that, go to the Cornel website. I'll post the website down below in the description box. Participate, because it's important. Our bird friends are important.